So the first time I met Joseph Bhai, I was very impressed with his detailing and his attention to detail, and just his uh, cinematic, I suppose, view, you could say. I think it was very similar to something that I've always wanted. I've never gotten a photo shoot done. I've never had any of that, and it's something I've been wanting for a really long time. So when I met Joseph Bhai, this was like I definitely wanted it. As for the kind of person he works very hard to ensure that he's getting like the perfect shot, that he is getting the best result out of any of his shoots. He is super punctual and is very easygoing and easy to accommodate with as well. But he will definitely make sure that the detailing, like he won't treat his work uh, he won't treat his work in a way that's like, oh, chalega types. It needs to be proper, it needs to be particular, and it needs to be according to how he views it, and it's always amazing. So
Just to add to that, I think he's been really passionate about what he's done. It's never been like that I won't take this photo or that photo. Whatever we asked, he's gotten it done. I was initially a little bit skeptical about him, but once I saw yesterday's video, I was super impressed. I mean, I haven't seen something in other people's wedding. I mean, the teaser that they launched after that, I was like, wow, Alifia made the right choice, clearly. Um, Among the points that I think you should improve upon would be, I think with the crowds sometimes when they don't cooperate with you, I think you give up on them a little bit. So I think you should still go for it. I know in weddings you have to respect the crowd, but sometimes you just get exhausted, like he's just not listening to me. So I think that you can improve upon. Other than that, I think brilliant work and amazing photography team.
So, additionally, I would also like to thank the team, Shabbir Bhai and Ammar Bhai. They got the best out of us, which I was not expecting because I have no experience with shoots or modeling or any of that. So, the way they explained every shot and what we had to do was amazing. They were so cooperative, they were so patient with us, especially because me and Tahir can be a little awkward sometimes. So they were very patient, and they were very cooperative as well. Loved the team, loved the work.
So thank you, Joseph Bhai and team. Great work.